Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the amazing iPhone 11 Pro Max. And to me it's kind of a special day because I'm moving from my trusty Samsung flip phone, which I've used these phones since the beginning of early mobile technology, and they served me well, but been taking a lot of abuse and kidding from my friends about why I'm still using this. But the main reason I'm switching to this is not because of the phone function or the texting, I could care less about that, but because of the amazing camera technology that's in these phones now. So I can't wait to get started and actually start using this, and I'll be posting a lot of videos about all the cool apps that are out there and things you could do with this phone. So let's see what's inside. Wow, even the package is easy opening. And there she is. Even the box is beautiful. It seems like everything that Apple does is top notch. So as we look inside, we can see the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And there she is. Sure is a beauty with the 3 cameras on here. And the screen is large enough, so to me anyway, I can use it a lot more comfortably and see things a lot more clearly. And this particular phone is a 256 gig version because I don't think the 64 gig would have been very usable to me and probably to most other people, but I probably would recommend getting at least a 256 gig version. Let's see what's in here. So here's the earbuds with the lightning connector. And this must be the USB-C to lightning cable. And of course we have our USB-C power adapter here. So let's take a look and see what's inside this little envelope folder here, designed by Apple in California. And you have a little bit of instructions on here, kind of a welcome to iPhone, and also comes with some neat Apple decals. Wait, before you go, there's a few things that I want to point out after 10 days of shooting with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Number one, having that 3 camera capability is going to put you in a really nice wide range, starting with the ultra wide, which is going to give you about 13 millimeters of focal length, and then the wide angle, which gives you 26 millimeter, and you have somewhat of a telephoto focal length of 52 millimeters, which is nice if you want to do some portrait photography. And the other really amazing feature in the iPhone 11 Pro Max is night mode. This is going to give you unbelievable low light capability that was never possible with the iPhone before. As an example, the night after I got my iPhone, my wife and I went up to the tennis courts. We were going to watch a meteor shower that never happened. But here it is around midnight, extremely dark here. You can barely see some of the night lights that are on the outside of the buildings. Just very, very dark in general. So there was no meteor shower going on, so I just took a couple photos of the tennis court at night. So remember, this is at night. It's pretty much pitch black out here. Amazing low light capability. The other interesting feature, and probably the most important that I found so far, to me anyway, would be the portrait mode in the camera. So if you're going from photo, say, to the portrait mode, this is going to allow you some really nice effects that are extremely useful when you're doing portraits, especially individual headshots. To give you an idea, here's a photo that I took yesterday using just natural light. And as you can see here, the background is kind of cluttered, very distracting. However, the lighting that was coming in here was really beautiful. We had some nice light coming in from the back, which is acting as a hair light and a kicker light, just giving a little bit more dimension. So this was taken in portrait mode, and then if we want to edit this, this is really amazing. We can go to the wheel here, and now we can see this is the original image, natural light. And the next step here is studio light. And once again, we have a contour light, which changes the lighting on the face just a little bit. And then next we have what's called stage light. And this just takes away that distracting background, and yet we still retain the beautiful natural lighting that falls on the subject here. And next on the wheel, we can turn this again, and we get what's called stage light mono for monochrome, which makes it a beautiful black and white image with the background removed. And watch this, we can even take it further. We can go to the next step, which gives it a white background, and you call this the high key light mono, so which makes this a black and white high key effect. So I just wanted to point these things out so you know the capability of the amazing iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max.